Hello everyone, I have some news. Don't worry, it's not bad. It's just something that I've been thinking a lot about. When I started YouTube, I started with drawing lessons. I made lesson after lesson, and my channel was like an art class. Then I started to make my own thumbnails using a website called Canva. Using Canva actually opened up a new door, and somehow I started animating small things. Then I took it a step further. I made an animated mini-movie. My first animated mini-movie was a Valentine's Day special. An app, which is InCupid, was what it was called. My channel has grown so much, but ever since I've started animating, I've been really distant from drawing. So, I've decided to change the name of my channel. I have the perfect new name, but of course it's a secret for a while. But I'll give you a hint. Since I like to call myself Moon, Moon is still in my channel name. My new channel name will be premiered on Tuesday, May 3rd. In that video, I will have a few updates to talk about as well. Also, we're so close to our first goal of 100 subscribers. My first subscriber special is going to be amazing, but it's a secret! Before I end the video, I have a question for you, and answer truthfully. Do you want me to draw again on my channel?